Maurice Donval, a young French farmer, smashes the world record. Over a period of 24 hours, 180 hectares ploughed non-stop by one man, beating the previous world record by 50 hectares. 3 large manufacturers supplying production series equipment joined Maurice Donval in his record-breaking attempt. John Deere with the most powerful tractor in the range, Kuhn with a 15-furrow Challenger plough, and Kleiber with their Super 15 tyres. The event quickly attracted media attention, as reports the French 3 journalist. Since 1 o'clock today, a record attempt has been underway for the number of hectares ploughed in 24 hours. This powerful 12-litre, 425 horsepower tractor has been especially imported from the United States. A team of engineers and mechanics have been working hard in preparation. Nothing is left to chance.
Surtout essayer d'éviter qu'il y ait quelques problèmes techniques parce que là, sinon c'est tout de suite un quart d'heure, 20 minutes.
This impressive plough has a working width of 7.5 metres. Maurice Donval sat in the cab, French ploughing champion in 1989. He alone will drive the tractor for 24 hours, with all food and fuel being supplied on the move.
Engins et pilotes seront ravitaillés tout en roulant.
Il faut rester quand même attentionné pendant 24 heures. Puis la partie la plus difficile, c'est la nuit entre 1h et 5h du matin, quoi.
Tuesday the 3rd of March, 1 p.m, an official fires the starting pistol. Maurice Donval at the wheel of his tractor sets off for 24 hours of non-stop ploughing. The radio link-up with the tractor reveals a forward speed of 11.5 kilometers an hour. The Kleiber tyres give an optimal performance, with wheel slip at less than 8%. At a ploughing depth of 25 centimetres, the ZX skimmers and the H bodies ensure high quality ploughing. At 6:25 p.m, the first of 3 refuelings. Nearly 400 litres of fuel are transferred to the tractor diesel tank without any change in forward speed. At 7 p.m, night falls, and we still need to hold out for 18 hours. The interminable round continues. At midnight, the computer already shows 84 hectares ploughed. 5:17 a.m. The previous record of 127.7 hectares has been broken. There are 8 hours left to improve upon this new world record. 7:30 a.m. The sun rises. Under the careful eye of surveyors and experts, more than 7.5 hectares per hour have been ploughed. This average enables us to predict an exceptional overall result. Maurice Donval, at the wheel for over 20 hours now, is supported by constant radio contact with the John Deere, Kuhn and Kleiber service teams. At precisely 1 p.m, the tractor and plough come to rest after their race against time. Surveyors with laser measuring equipment set to work. The chief surveyor announces the verdict: 180.3624 hectares ploughed. Congratulations, Maurice Donval, and welcome to the Guinness Book of Records.